Introducing the Mr. Heater 125K BTU Unit Heater, a versatile heating solution designed to provide reliable warmth in workshops, small warehouses, and other expansive spaces. With its impressive 125,000 BTU output, electronic ignition, and liquid propane conversion capability, this unit heater offers efficient performance and adaptability. In this review, we'll delve into its specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision for your heating needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. This heater is known for its reliable performance. The 125,000 BTU output ensures quick and effective heating, making it suitable for even larger spaces like small warehouses. The electronic ignition feature simplifies startup, while the thermostatic control allows you to maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. Number 2. Fuel flexibility. One standout feature of this unit heater is its liquid propane conversion kit. This kit allows you to switch from natural gas to propane, providing flexibility in choosing your fuel source. This is especially valuable in areas where natural gas may not be readily available, making the heater adaptable to various locations. Number 3. Installation. Installation of this unit heater does require some assembly and proper ventilation. You'll need to provide line voltage and exhaust ducting, which may involve some additional setup and cost. However, the included hanging bracket helps with mounting, and the floor mount design ensures stability. Number 4. Build quality. This heater is built solidly and designed for durability. Its construction is robust, and the unit weighs 108 pounds, which speaks to its sturdiness. The multicolor finish adds a touch of aesthetics, which is a nice bonus for those who want their heating equipment to blend well with their workspace. Number 5. Heating coverage. With a heating coverage of 2,000 square feet, this unit heater is suitable for various applications, including workshops, garages, and small warehouses. It effectively distributes heat, ensuring that the entire space is warmed evenly. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 29.45 inches, depth by 31.85 inches, width by 29.75 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Powerful 125,000 BTU output. Electronic ignition for easy startup. Liquid propane conversion kit included. Thermostatically controlled for precise temperature regulation. 1 reason not to buy. Initial cost and setup for ventilation can be expensive. Conclusion. The Mr. Heater 125K BTU unit heater is a reliable and efficient heating solution for larger workspaces. Its powerful output, fuel flexibility, and thermostat control make it a versatile choice for keeping your environment comfortable. While installation may require some effort and additional components, the overall performance and durability of this unit make it a valuable investment for those in need of robust heating solutions. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.